Hey everyone, welcome. Let me ask you, have you ever wished you could earn a little extra cash in line right from the comfort of your home or while chilling on your phone? What if you could get paid for answering surveys, doing small tasks, even playing games? Sounds nice, right? Well, today we're diving into one platform that promises exactly that. Stick around because I'll show you how it works, how much you might realistically earn, the good and the bad, and whether Ysense is legit or just another online scam. Let's get started. Sense is an online rewards or get paid to GPT platform where users earn money by completing tasks like surveys, offers, micro tasks, and more. It originally launched as ClickSense back in 2007, then rebranded to Ysense in 2019. The site is run under Prodige LLC, the same group behind other reward sites. According to Ysense's own About Us, you can earn via various activities, surveys, tasks, offers, and also via an affiliate referral program. So basically, Ysense gathers surveys and tasks from various advertisers and research companies and pays you or shares their earnings when you complete those tasks. How to get started? Step by step 1. Sign up for free. Create an account on Ysense using your email. No upfront payment required. 2. Verify your email and complete your profile. This is important because a full profile helps the site send you surveys and offers tailored to your demographics, improving chances you qualify. 3. Check available tasks regularly. Surveys, offers, and micro tasks are added periodically, so you need to log in frequently to catch good tasks. 4. Use the daily checklist for bonus. Ysense promotes a daily checklist bonus. Completing tasks daily may boost your earnings by up to approximately 12%. 5. Referral batch affiliate program. Optional but useful. You get a unique referral link. If friends sign up and complete tasks, you earn a commission of their earnings. 6. Cash out when you reach the minimum threshold. Ysense offers payment via PayPal, Payoneer, or gift cards depending on region. Minimum cash out is fairly low, e.g., the reports mention approximately $5 minimum for some methods. What you can do: types of earning methods, surveys, market research surveys that ask for your opinions on products, services. This is the core of Ysense. Offers. These can include signing up for services, free trials, installing apps, maybe shopping or other advertiser offers, depending on what's available. Micro tasks, small jobs, simple online tasks, sometimes data entry, internet research, small gigs via partnered task providers, referral, affiliate earnings. Once you refer others, you earn commissions on their completed tasks or surveys, a form of passive income. Possibly other offers depending on region. Some users report access to special offer walls, games, or additional promos, though availability depends a lot on location. Realistic earnings, what to expect host on camera. Okay, now just how much can you actually earn with Ysense, and is it worth your time? Let's be real about it. Many tasks and surveys pay only a small amount. Simple surveys may give modest sums. For example, shorter tasks might pay around some cents to low dollars. As noted by some users on public forums, getting qualified for surveys consistently can be rare. One comment on Reddit summarized, you can earn $2 an hour if you get qualified continuously and if there are enough surveys for you to complete, which is really rare. Another real-world report: a user worked 15 to 30 minutes daily over 2 weeks. After approximately 30 surveys, they received about 25 US dollars in total. So you should have modest expectations. YCents can serve as a way to earn extra cash on the side, but it's unlikely to replace a full-time job. Many reviewers say it's good for extra income rather than a major income source. If you log in regularly, pick the higher paying offers, and maybe refer some friends, you might be able to earn a bit more. But again, don't expect it to get you rich overnight. Pros and cons. What's good and what to watch out for? Pros: free to join, no payment required upfront. Variety of earning methods, surveys, tasks, offers, referrals. Gives some flexibility depending on what's available. Low minimum cash out threshold. Easier to redeem earnings without waiting to accumulate huge amounts. Global availability. Accessible from many countries, though with variation in tasks or offers depending on region. Referral program. Gives potential for passive income if you build a network. Cons, limitations. Earnings per task are typically low. Many surveys offer small pay relative to time invested. Availability of tasks surveys depends heavily on location and demographic. Not everyone sees frequent tasks. Risk of disqualification. Some users report spending time on surveys only to get disqualified and receive no payment. It's time-consuming and unreliable for full-time income. Best treated as a side hustle or a way to earn spare change. Tips to make the most of YCents. Complete your profile immediately. It triggers relevant surveys just offers, increasing your chances of qualification. Check the site often, daily if possible. Because tasks come and go, being quick to grab good offers makes a difference. Prioritize higher paying offers. Go for surveys or tasks that pay better or offers that reward more. Balance time versus reward wisely. Use referral links if you can. If you know people who'd be interested, referring them can add a passive income stream on top of your active efforts. Track your time. Value your time. If a survey is paid too little for the time required, it may not be worth doing. Treat YCents more like spare time gig than a job. Be realistic. YCents isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Think of it as extra pocket money, not a full income. Final verdict: is YCents worth it? So, is YCents worth your time? The answer: yes, but with caveats. If you want a legit, easy to join platform to make a bit of extra money on the side, for occasional surveys, small tasks, or to top up your savings, YCents can be a solid option. It's free, flexible, and accessible from many parts of the world. But if your goal is to replace a steady job or rely on it as a serious income source, then you'll probably be disappointed. The tasks pay modestly and availability depends a lot on where you are and how often you check in. My advice: treat YCents as a side hustle boost. Use it when you have spare time, but don't bet on it to pay your rent. All right, that's a wrap on my YCents honest breakdown video. If you've ever tried YCents before, if you do decide to give it a shot, drop a comment below and let me know your experience, especially how much you earned and how long it took you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe for more reviews and tips on making money online, and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.